This weekend me ohana madam boy Germany friend no Emmanuel Wiafe. And na ye Arsenal League omoji ehun komo. And na okasa afi na bibia che say Arsenal betimi agi league no. And the reason they or say Arantana or share go the ma Bournemouth no junior groupie. So when the jersey number no 22. Or share jersey number 22. Now attacking Arsenal 22 years omonje Premier League no. Enti now say obi or share jersey number 22 or share go the Arsenal League je no e number 1. Only Mikel Arteta age 44. Only 22 years na Arsenal fan the Premier League no every ma onya 22. Inti chesa afi no na bibia chese Arsenal. But me to honest Abranti is about geke.
Numerologists.
Yeah.
The numbers now. Quickly this weekend a lot of Nyoma Bebe na SC. Na mamen starting because you take BBC ladies first.
Yeah.
Barcelona mano aje omo 4th Champions League ede esio mo na so abra omo share Lyon 4-0 this weekend na say uko Europa the two dominant emba teams in Europe in the last 10 years are Lyon and Barca. Lyon fire come once mu omagimane Champions League ni mako 8. Barcelona edge omo only 4th last weekend. And say in the European Champions League man say ushia Lyon it's like obo man Champions League na ushia Real Madrid. Omo no me the most successful club about man Champions League na this last season Barcelona co-finals of a Champions League and lost to Arsenal. And you know behind me so this season Barcelona and Arsenal was some revenge bia I was say omo enya efri ho. Then Lyon Asia Arsenal in the semi-final and omo yi Arsenal. Making sure say enya a repeat of last season Champions League final ni biem. The moment Lyon team yi Arsenal the normal logic and say Barcelona and team and share Arsenal team way but Lyon show them home and away e dey qualify e dey aba final no nti emu be din e dey ama Barcelona for man rich first half will be and should be second half Barcelona man be share 4 Lyon form an entimi anya won so now the success story of Barcelona man e yin ni say omu coach o man no do magi previous competitions you know Lyon for this guy be fan and the coach no get the dugout of Lyon and Barcelona as a channel. And you could clearly see from a man who catch him coach so now how the edge and I was say call Lyon. Now what me have a break here dominance. Now you've gone and we've met you as I show be him. Now story ni there is one lady and mommy decided say ne remember be can Barcelona man o win Champions League you know. Your friend Eva Pajol. And Monday, Tibi never a show home crime. Rich Eva Pajol free Poland. Now, Osha the winners of a man Champions League now. Wolfsburg win it twice. Omo win it twice so 2013, 2014. Omo no win it. And Wolfsburg so ye team about my football in Europa. Omo a powerhouse pa. Rich Eva Payo free Poland. Ekosi akama Wolfsburg Germany. The last time Wolfsburg win Champions League which was in 2014. Now Obama Wolfsburg omu team B reserves team of the women's and omu promote no. Enti uteam aje Champions League 2013, waje Champions League 2014 and you promote you about senior side. Enti oba time Wolfsburg was at the peak of a man football in Europe. Rich Obeje say since Ababa one year promoted to the first team no. Because Wolfsburg Satam ejin na sunti. Omo ko successive finals Marco 5 Nini na omenti me anye ba kokra. Inti Eva Pajo wako Champions League final maku 5 ba ku kura ni wana wetimi age. Okwa no atofam. Then Rich, you're very good this season impo ono je top scorer in the Champions League. And we decided okay, say me wo Wolfsburg na me ntime in Champions League ne dia. Say me hu say Barcelona for no mo je ade ne pa. Rich, then she made the move in 2014 to Barca. And Obaka Barcelona team no. Barcelona made it to the final 2014 against Arsenal. Time of Barcelona in the Champions League, you know. Osa Barcelona, the first Champions League final against Arsenal. Not Arsenal, sa Barcelona. It's not like say Ediabobi Diababa Wanechiana. Oba, you make it to the final, but you don't win. We got 5 times with Wolfsburg. Now about 1 with Barcelona, and it was a Barcelona team or no be a type of Arsenal. Rich, she got another opportunity to play in the finals of the Champions League. Or she had 2 goals. I'm at Barcelona this weekend. Or we need a top scorer. And finally, Eva Pajor, Aji Mbane Champions League, you know, after so many finals. Senke remember a football mustoria. Rich Enkai to be more highlighted, but Eva Pajor was very, very happy this weekend. Say finally, what me edit Ninsa ato so every match trophy bia was a Barcelona mani bobia omaji. And they've won almost 4th. Almost say they will continue to dominate. And born Rich. Edding to find Obi Obetimi Ashomo. Edding too much. Ebia one upset biaba any other, but congratulations to Barcelona for Mbano. And yet Mbano nkwane bo Champions League final over Africa ha. Ye bo Champions League final. First leg na Mamelodi Sundowns asha 1-0 edifi South Africa Kofa Rabat in Morocco. Which ye starting game na pum. Far Rabat for nya penalty automatica. 1-1 on aggregate. Emma Remfi say in the African game, still away go rule here, Juma. Enti the moment of Far Rabat for the second, Paibo Mobile say they will score the second goal with the momentum from almost supporters, you know, and make sure Sundowns because Omenti Nyanko goal was South Africa, no, Sundowns also doesn't score away goal. Rich in the second half volley be a mokoena, and the second ma Sundowns for, and yeah, very, very good goal. So one right Champions League game kope mokoena goal no, nehe, no I take a 1-1. Obianim say away goal rule here, Juma. So Safar Rabat betimi agi Champions League na they need to win the game 3-1 to cancel their away goal rule. Rich, yeah, bobo na penalty. Far Rabat for no confer penalty so mobile when Williams as a penalty. If you watch the strength of the Mamelodi Sundowns team na, I know what they do. Obi antimi no mumbo Africa. Even the current early team will struggle. And Rich, the maturity of the ball is too much. When say first, na South African clubs no so many interested in the Champions League because na is win PS on the corner also. But the moment they decided, so no, they have to take part and Omoboni seriously, no. With the investment, no, you are team Rich. Mamelodi Sundowns again, they are back as champions of Africa. And I was here, boom, I was, oh, sha. Now the Kotokone has a media may to Tumwa. Now we say,
the distance, no one.
To correlations to Barcelona and band correlations to Mamelodi Sundowns over the weekend. I'm going to fresh champions. After they've been champions, and the Chelsea come on
later.
No Europe, big problem. But there are positives and negatives. They are very, very.
So many ample time to build a team. Going forward.
You see, with that Europe, what they must do, also
okay.
Now, a start from the power that is given to Xabi Alonso.
Yemrefi na Ghana Premier League so this weekend and yabo at the we are said yen before cry yebo this weekend no na enim se asi mediama omo and na omo agi league no at the